my channel. I have the December Sew Sampler to unbox for you guys today. If you're not familiar with the Sew Sampler, it's a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box put out by Fat Quarter Shop. I will put a link for where you can get it below. It's $24.95 a month plus shipping, and it always comes with fun sewing and quilting goodies inside. So let's go ahead and get started and see what's inside this month's box. Okay, this is the Winter With You box, and there is a 20% off Notions code on the back for you, which is always super fun. I'm already liking the color of this so far. And then of course, they always have their little guide inside. So the first thing we have right here are these 4.5-inch Swiss style tweezers. These are Tula pink hardware, and as you can see, they have her signature kind of rainbowy metal thing going on. These are actually super handy. I typically use these as a stylus. You can also use them if you need to pick out a seam that's kind of tight or something like that. Pick up small items, things like that. I actually don't use these a whole lot. I would probably more use them as a stylus. Still a cool item because I actually don't have one. And these retail for $8.98. There's a little sample card in here for the Threadology quilt along, just letting you know it's coming to benefit Make-A-Wish. They always do these quilt alongs every year, and they are super fun if you like to participate in things like that. This one looks really cute, and as you can see, it's a giant spool of thread once you get all of the little blocks built inside, so that one looks really cute. All right, the next thing we have here are these little, let's see, cherry gingham heart snips. The design is Quilting in the Rain by Jara Brandvig. They are super cute. These retail for $6.98, and I absolutely love these scissors. I cannot get enough of them. They are super cute, and I have them in all my knitting project bags, and I have some sitting next to my sewing machine at all times. All right, the next thing in our box is this kind of, it's a light bluish gray color Aurifil Thread. This is 50 weight thread, and it retails for $3.98. It is in the color MK50 2085. It says gray turquoise. It's a really pretty color though. Love it. All right, I'm gonna save the fabric for last. So we are gonna move on to our barn block recipe card. If you have been watching my videos, you'll know that we get one of these in every single box. This is block number 9. They retail for $4.98, and this is definitely on my 2019 to make list. I haven't started yet, but I've been saving all of these. They're nice, hard, kind of cardboardy type patterns, and from what I can tell, they look like they'll be relatively easy. This one looks a little bit more complicated than some of the other ones just because it's got all these little stars on here, but still super cute. All right, the next thing in our box is the Avondale tote bag pattern. This retails for $9.98, and the tote bag finishes at 16.5 inches square. Super cute, and it uses this fabric that I'm getting ready to show you. I like to save the fabric for last. There's a close-up of the bag. It looks semi-complicated just because of all these little stars, but really they're just half square triangles, guys. This is a little bit out of the ordinary for Fat Quarter Shop. They tend to give wall hangings, quilt patterns, table runners, things like that, so I'm actually really excited to see a bag in here. I love making bags, and this one looks super cute. Okay, moving on to the fabric, we've got 2 of these little mini charm packs. Each of them have 42 pieces. They are 2.5 by 2.5, and they are the Woodland Rose line by Jara Brandvig. And okay, let's see if I can kind of show it. These little ones are kind of hard to show, but super nice, soft colors, little florals in there. That matches the scissors I just showed you. Here's some more reds. Sorry guys, these are really hard to flip down. I don't really want to take it apart just yet though. So you get 2 of these little guys, and then you also get the finishing kit. So it's got this print, then it's also got this print. So a nice kind of tan, and then this really pretty blue. And this is the finishing kit for the bag. All right, so the finishing kit plus the 2 minis retail for $22.98, and that is everything that's in the December box. The total value for this month's box, like I mentioned, you pay $24.95 a month for the box plus shipping. The total value for this month's box was $57.88, so I think that was actually a pretty good value. I'm super excited about this fabric. I love her fabric. It's always just soft and beautiful, and then I think that this bag bag pattern is gonna be a lot of fun to make. It also looks very beginner friendly, which is one of my favorite things about the Fat Quarter Shop boxes. I think especially if you're a new sewer or quilter, this is a great way to get some fun fabrics and some fun patterns and just get your skills going. So if I had to pick a favorite, I think it will be really hard because I actually really like everything in this month's box. I love this pattern. I think it's super cute. I of course love these scissors. These are definitely one of my favorites. I always love getting these because I really honestly feel like you can never have enough. I have them all over in the house. They're in a variety of different knitting bags. They're by my sewing machine. I was actually needing another pair, so super excited to see these. I love Aurifil Thread, and this color is just so beautiful, actually. It says a gray turquoise, but it really looks light blue to me in person. It matches this side of fabric almost identically, so beautiful fabric as well. So I don't know, I think all of these are my favorites. I'm really happy to have this box. I also really like that it was a bag pattern, and I'm really excited because now that the holidays are over, I actually will have a little bit of downtime, and hopefully I can get back in my sewing room and create some fun projects for you guys. So that's what's in the December 2018 Sew Sampler box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out, plus I know to keep making them for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.